Pilglas is a project by us, Jonas Larsen and Yukiko Tango from the studio Troika, which have woven together two old crafts that have a long history and that are still alive in the region of Skåne, willow weaving and glass blowing. Today there are several smaller glass studios in Skåne, but there have also been larger factories like the Skånska Glass Factory in Perstorp with more than 60 employees. In glassmaking, wooden, metal and graphite molds are the most commonly used. The purpose for that has been to ensure that all glass shapes will turn out into the same size and look. We wanted to explore other materials and principles for making glass molds, allowing for the unpredictable outcomes in the production, making each object into a unique piece and create unique objects with a special local feeling.
Our interest fell on basket weaving that has a strong history in the region, but it is also a global craft, recognizable everywhere. Willow is a material used in Skåne, so we decided on making the molds from locally grown willow. The willows are picked outside the Agricultural Museum in Hammenhög. At the start of every project, we try to find new ways of weaving or new ways of making the willow molds. The glass blowing procedure is the most exciting part of the process. The outcome can turn into something that we never had thought of, quite the opposite of the concept of the mold.
When the glass blower blows hot glass into the mold, smoke and steam from the fresh branches is created, and some of them will burn away. But some of the remaining branches will hold the moisture just like a soft wooden mold. The molds then also change during the production. Some branches shrink, change direction, shape, or burn away. Therefore, all vases will become a little bit different, even if they are produced in the same mold. A unique shape, but similar, same but different, develops for each individual vessel. All manufacturing takes place in the region of Skåne. For 5 years have we developed a unique vessel series, Pilglas, that received a design scholarship from the region of Skåne.
The project was shown for the first time at Den Nya Kartan, an exhibition that aimed to highlight the strengths of working together. Pilglas has also been shown in London, Tokyo, at several exhibitions in Sweden.
Pilglas has also been collaborating with the Swedish fashion label Tiger of Sweden.
We are now taking an entirely new step and present light installations with our peel technique at Boutique Fina on Helmfältsgatan in Malmö during Southern Sweden Design Days.